Includes 10 adjustable dividers to fit large pans, platters and lids. Expands 12 to 22 wide to fit any cabinet. Sturdy base prevents round lid/pans from rolling. Non-slip feet keep rack securely in place. 1-minute setup, no tools or installation required. The StoreMore Expandable Cookware Rack keeps your favorite cookware organized, no stacking required. It extends to fit any cabinet space while adjustable dividers keep heavy items vertical and visible. When you can easily find what you need, you'll be feeling like a pro. Instructions. 1. Place the base on a flat surface and hold both ends. Lift and pull the top part to expand the base to your desired width. 2. Set the top part down so that holes are lined. The center button, bottom part, should fit in a center long slot, top part. 3. Insert one end of a wire divider into an open slot on the base. Squeeze the other end of the divider into the open slot on the opposite side of the base. Release to lock in place. 4. Repeat with remaining dividers, positioning as necessary to properly fit your items. We recommend fitting the dividers as close as possible to keep everything upright and easy to remove. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy and amazing. I have seen these for a while and was interested in them, but they didn't seem sturdy enough to me. Then, I found this. The M-shaped prongs attach in 4 locations within the base, making this sturdy enough even for my heavy bottom green pans. The pans don't budge and sit nicely in the cradle. Both lid handle types fit perfectly in the middle space and rest in the notches on the bottom. This is also the perfect width for my big pans, at 9 versus 7, yet still works nicely for small pans. I plan to either buy 2 more of these or one expandable with the same prong type. The plastic base is also very heavy duty and not flimsy at all. If you're on the fence about this, get off that fence and get it already.